When was Thomas Edison born? Thomas Alva Edison was born in Milan, Ohio, on February 11, 1847. How did Thomas Edison become famous? Thomas Edison unveiled the phonograph, which reproduced sounds by means of the vibration of a stylus following a groove on a rotating disc, in December 1877. The public's amazement surrounding this invention was quickly followed by universal acclaim. Edison was projected into worldwide prominence and was dubbed the Wizard of Menlo Park. How did Thomas Edison change the world? Thomas Edison played a significant part in introducing the modern age of electricity. His inventions included the phonograph, the carbon button transmitter for the telephone speaker and microphone, the incandescent lamp, the first commercial electric light and power system, an experimental electric railroad, and key elements of motion picture equipment. Was Thomas Edison deaf? Thomas Edison was totally deaf in one ear and hard of hearing in the other, but thought of his deafness as a blessing in many ways. It kept conversations short so that he could have more time for work. He called himself a two-shift man because he worked 16 out of every 24 hours. Thomas Alva Edison is a world-famous American inventor. Edison received 1,093 patents in the United States, and about 3,000 patents in other countries of the world. He spent almost all his time in the laboratory, improving various equipment and devices. But his main inventions were related to the use of electricity. In 1881, Edison learned about the invention of the economical incandescent light bulb by the Russian scientist Lodygin. He becomes interested in this and begins to improve the light bulb. A sample of the light bulb we use today will soon be available. His invention consisted of this: he used a thin, specially wound tungsten fiber that was heated by electricity. Edison, who invented the light bulb, also invented the cartridge and the light switch. It also finds a way to completely expel the air, allowing for longer bulb life. Who is the father of technology? Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison created the world's first industrial research laboratory and is known as the father of technology. What is the most important discovery of Thomas Edison? Thomas Edison's light bulb. Thomas Edison is most well known for his invention of the light bulb. Did you know? Yankee Stadium was built with concrete from Edison's cement company. A telegrapher taught Edison telegraphy as a reward for saving his son from being hit by a freight car. Edison proposed to his second wife in Morse code. Edison was homeschooled as a child because he performed badly in school. When did Thomas Edison die? Thomas Edison died on October 18, 1931, in West Orange, New Jersey.